Just 3 ingredients. It removes dark spots, brown spots. Finally, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. How are you all doing today? I believe you are doing fine. Like you see from the title, this is especially for those that want to unify their complexion. You want to remove dark spots, brown spots, blemishes, pigmentations, name it. This is just for you. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the red subscribe button. Also turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, it will come right here. Without wasting time, let me go quickly and show you how to make sure your skin is flawless always. With only 3 ingredients, get rid of brown or black spots, remove black hairs or white hairs. Your skin will look very smooth, soft, and younger. All you have to do is just to get a very clean bowl for mixing. The first ingredient you are going to add is turmeric powder. Turmeric is a wonderful ingredient, a very powerful antioxidant that will help to fade away pigmentations, unify your complexion, removing brown spots, dark spots, thanks to the natural bleaching agent it contains that will help to make sure you have no spots again. So I'm going to add just a little. A little goes a long way. For one's use, half tablespoon of turmeric powder will be okay. Next one we have here is tomato. So tomato is powerful, very great at removing spots, pigmentations, unifying your complexion, making sure your skin is even. So this is especially for those that want to get rid of their black spots. It will also penetrate. It contains lycopene, a very great antioxidant that when it penetrates into your skin is going to repair damages like brightening your skin, removing wrinkles, making sure your skin is soft and smooth. Okay, so right now I'm going to add the juice of my tomato to make it very effective. You can go ahead and blend. You can go ahead and blend the tomato or grate it to bring out the juice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mix thoroughly. Next one we have here is nutmeg. So here is nutmeg powder. It's brownish. If you do not have the powdered form, get the seed and turn it into a powdered form. Nutmeg will help to get rid of dark spots, black spots, brown spots, whichever spots you have. It's very good at removing wrinkles, also helping to get rid of acne, like treating skin problems. So I'm going to add just a little. Half tablespoon is all you need. I'm going to add it into it and mix thoroughly. If you have a sensitive skin, just try it somewhere else before applying it on your face. So after mixing it thoroughly and making sure everything is well mixed, it's time to quickly show you how to apply it on your body, your face, anywhere you want to treat to remove those brown spots or dark spots.